Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you that how you can share a file without not a file, a lot of file without installing any app like Shareit, without installing Shareit, ShareMe or xender or any other sharing app. That's but the speed is like those Shareit or other sharing app, so not like Bluetooth, and it's so easy and you don't need to install any app on your Android phone, but you must have an Android phone. So let's start, and I want to say a thing before starting the main part of this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. It is very helpful for me, and I hope I will see you in my next video. So please subscribe my channel. So let's start, and here you can see this is my sender device. From this device I will send a file to this device, but I'm not using any ShareMe or any Shareit app. I am just sending file from my file manager without sharing, or my file managers or gallery without sharing any app. So here you can see that here have some app and some image from my gallery. By following this step you can send anything from your file manager or gallery like mp3 video, anything. So I am showing you from gallery. So here you can see that here have some 3 file. So I'm going to select all them and I'm going to click on send. In your device it will be share, it will be share button or send button. So I clicked on send, and then you see there have lot of things that you can share. So I'm not going to select ShareMe or Shareit. I'm going to select nearby share. So nearby share is pre-installed on your device by Google. You don't need to install this one, and this one is very safe and it came from Google, so you don't need to worry about it. So just click on nearby share. Before nearby share, before clicking on nearby share, you need to go setting of receiver device, and you need to go Google, and then you need to find share device and share. Here you can see nearby share, then you need to click on this one. It's already on here, so I'm going to again turn off and turn on nearby share. Then you can turn this option from setting, or there have a shortcut that you can find this one in notification option. So here you don't, if here have some trouble, sorry, if you don't find nearby share button, then you can click on arrangement or edit button of this notification button. Then you will find there share by nearby share. Add this one notification and click done. So you can turn this receive button from notification easily without going any setting. So I am going to turn on this nearby share, not from setting, just from nearby share notification button. I am again saying that you can turn it from setting. Previously I show you, and you also can turn it from notification button. And I am showing you another image here that is different phones. So you can also turn notification button like this one. nearby share receive button from this one. So after clicking on or after turning on nearby share, you will see like this button. Then from sender button, select your file, click send or share, then find here nearby share, click on it and turn on all things which this one require. After turning on all things, then you will see the receiver's name here. Then click on the receiver names. So in receiver phone you will see a notification that called accept. So click on accept on receiver phones. So you can see that it's transferring. So the file is little bit big, like 1 GB. So it's sharing and it's fast like any other sharing app like Shareit or any other app. You don't need to worry about the speed of share. It's so fun. So I hope you got the solution of sharing file without facing any ad from Shareit, any ad from ShareMe, xender, or installing any app. So I hope it will also save your storage from installing those apps. I hope you don't need to go Play Store and install other app for sharing app, and it's available on all devices. So you don't need to match your app to another app. All devices, all Google Android devices have this one, so you don't need to worry about it. But I'm saying that I'm not sure, but this option is only available from Android 6 version plus. So Android 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all those have these features, and this sender device is Android 8 and this receiver device is Android 11. So the file is shared, and you will find the file in download. So here is those 3 files I received from sender file by using this nearby share. So I hope you learned new thing from my video, and if this video helpful to you, then please, again I'm saying that please subscribe my channel. It's very important for me, and sorry for my poor English skill, please adjust with it. And I hope I will see you in my next video. Thanks.
Wow.